Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Lexus ES 350 maintenance light. This light illuminates to remind you about important scheduled services, such as an oil change. Clearing it ensures you can accurately monitor your next service interval. Before we begin, please make sure your vehicle is safely in park and the engine's ignition is completely off. This is a crucial first step for the reset process. Now, let's get ready for the reset. First, find the small trip meter reset button, usually located near your odometer on the instrument panel. Next, turn your ignition to the on position. Do not start the engine. You should see all your dashboard lights illuminate. Finally, use the trip button to cycle through your display until it shows trip for the odometer. With your display on trip and the ignition off, press and hold the trip meter reset button. While keeping it pressed, turn your ignition back to the on position. Do not release the button yet. Continue to hold it for several seconds. You will see the maintenance light blink, and then it should completely turn off, indicating the reset is in progress. Once the maintenance light blinks and disappears, you can release the trip meter button. Now, go ahead and start your Lexus ES 350 normally to confirm that the maintenance-required light stays off. If it doesn't reset, double-check that you held the button before turning the ignition on. Remember, regular maintenance keeps your car running smoothly. Also, for other great deals, and to make meal prep easy with leak-proof containers, check the link in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.